Okay, so today for your journal entry, we're all going to start off with the same idea and then we're all going to funnel. And remember, when we funnel down to that small idea that's easier to write about, we all can come up with something different. So this is what's so interesting to me as to where everybody ends up. Okay, so we're all going to start off, and you can do this in your journal. So in the next clean piece of paper, I want you to write this crazy week. It's been so crazy. Now, I guess if we think back to the end of second grade, it's not as that crazy, but um, it's been a crazy week. We were sent home a week ago, and a lot has happened in that week, and a lot has happened to, and different things have happened to me and my family that have happened to you and your family. And so we're gonna funnel down into this crazy week, okay? Because that is way too much information to write about. There's been so much that's happened. So I want you to funnel down into one small thing. Now, I can already think off of my head of like 5 different things that people could write about. Like Nolan could write about waking up and there's snow on the deck because he's up at his cabin, but I can't write about that. And the fact that he can be up at his cabin during the week, right? So I want you to think about what part of this week do you want to write about? So maybe you're going to choose schoolwork. Okay, so I could choose schoolwork. I could go this crazy week, and then I could just funnel about schoolwork. Okay, and then I might funnel into one thing that happened with the schoolwork, and I think I might do morning meetings. Okay, so I'm going to get even smaller. Morning meetings, and I think one of my favorite parts of morning meetings have been the shares this week. Shares. So do you see how I went from a huge idea and I got smaller? So the whole week I just went to schoolwork because that's more manageable. But then the only part of schoolwork I wanted to think about was morning meeting. And then I got even smaller. I just am going to talk about the shares. Now, I could funnel it even smaller and talk about one of your shares, but that's not what I'm going to do. I'm going to talk about the shares, okay? Now, again, this is the only part that everybody's going to have the same. We're all going to have this crazy week, okay? But we're going to funnel it down on your own, okay? Whatever part of the week you choose to write about, then you're going to write, you can write in your journal. Or you could do a Google Doc. Let's just write in our journal. That'll be easier because your funnel will be there, okay? Then you're going to spend a good chunk of time writing about it. Now, I want you to remember all the things we've been working on. Remember our organization a little bit. We've talked about organization where we have our topic sentence. So I'm not going to give a detail. Then I have all my supporting detail, all the meat. And then I have a concluding sentence. Okay, so I want you to make sure you're kind of thinking about that. And then when you're thinking about what details you can add, think about how we've used our senses. Think about our question words. Any details you can add. Okay, so I'm just going to get started and I want you to help me for a second. Okay, ready? So I'm going to get started. Let me get out of being centered because I don't want to start being centered. And I'm going to start with I have loved our morning meeting shares this week. I don't know that I like shares. Maybe I'll say I have loved all the things people have shared in our morning meetings this week. How's that sound? Okay, now that's going to be my topic sentence, not yours, but my topic sentence. I didn't give any details. Now I've got to give some good details. Now think. Remember how we've talked about I can give a detail and then give an example of it. Some friends have shared memories. Memories, right? Now I'm going to give an example. Lily shared pictures of her family. Mila shared a picture of her when she was in preschool, right? Oh, I could keep doing, right? I could say Maddie shared a picture, right? Um, some friends have shared awards. Now, can I think of examples? I can think of two really fast, right? Ford has shared baseball, all of his awards for baseball, and Maddie shared her gymnastics, right? Okay, so now are you noticing? Here's my topic sentence. So if I was going to highlight it, I could put that in, the brown, right? That's my brown bun. But now look, here is my sentence. Some friends have shared memories. And then I gave examples. These two sentences about Lily and Mila go with that. Okay, I give a detail and then evidence. Then I give a detail. Some friends have shared awards, and then evidence. Some friends, okay, so, and I'm going to want to vary my sentences. I don't want them to always be some friends have some friends. So I'm going to have to change that up. I might go back and change that. Okay, but that's what I'm going to write about. You choose what you're going to write about, but everyone's starting with this crazy week, and then funnel your idea into something small and then write your journal entry. You should at least spend 15 or 20 minutes on your writing. So if you find that you didn't spend that long, maybe you need to go back and see where you could add those details. Okay, we want it to be a really juicy, meaty paragraph. Okay, and then you can attach the file. You know what? I changed my mind. I think I will put a Google Doc if you'd prefer, because some of you really did an awesome job of writing on the Google Doc, and you even highlighted it, which was like incredible. So I'll give you that option if you want to do that. I'll create a doc so you could either do it in your doc, either do it in your journal or on this, either way. But find something cool that you want to write about this week that you don't want to forget, because this week has been a doozy. And I will tell you, seeing you all on the Zoom has been my very, very, very favorite part. So, all right, have a great day. I miss y'all. Bye.